for the Reels Channel contest for biggest Team Edward Twilight fan. There's my life-size Edward, my little cameraman, Heather, Aaron, and Vanessa. And we have been...
Why do you guys laugh at me?
You're stupid. That too.
We've been hanging posters for about, like 7 hours, maybe?
More, probably.
This is the stuff that needs to go up.
We're tired.
We're tired.
We're in the process of hanging everything up, and we're working on the ceiling right now. See?
Hi.
And there's my Edward stuff.
Beautiful. She wrote because I told them about the Quest Crew thing and my cousin